Hello. To remove SIM cards from the Samsung S25 Ultra, all you have to do is simply take your phone, and on the bottom of the phone we have the SIM tray, and we need to take the SIM tray tool, which comes included with your phone, and simply put the pin into the pinhole, and as it is all the way down, all the way in actually, you have to simply push, and just like this, the SIM tray has been ejected. Now you have to grab it with your nails and take it out, just like this. And right now I will take this phone aside because right now I can show you that there is the first SIM slot, and this first SIM actually comes right off just like this. As you can see, it is all loose inside, but on the other side, as you can see, it is actually sitting in the slot. So right here you can see there's a little cut, and you can grab the SIM card with the SIM tray tool, and also you can actually from the other side there is another cut, and you can simply push it out of here. And let me just show you. Let's take this SIM slot, and actually sometimes I just noticed that sometimes this SIM card might actually shoot itself out of this SIM tray. So that is actually kind of funny, but yeah, all you have to do is simply grab it right here with the SIM tray tool, and just like this it comes right off, as you can see. So that's basically how to remove the SIM cards from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.